Okay, now let's start with the if for Python. So usually when you create a project you don't get any input here, so let's put and create the Python file. Let's put main. So we have our main. We need to put the configuration, so we add Python, then we take the path where we create our project, and then we go to the script or the Python file we want to execute. Let's put here the name main, doesn't matter. Okay, apply, let's put okay, and now we see here it have changed and we can execute. For example, print hello, and we don't need, yeah, because this is Python, we don't need semicolon, so here we have hello.